Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Tara. Today we're going to actually do stuffed zucchini and squash flowers. It's the end of season for my garden, so they're not producing the vegetables like they are. This is a female, so she doesn't, this is how big they're getting, so it's time to eat the flowers. So I have my potatoes here already mashed. I'm going to do like 2 eggs with that. Try not to get any shells in there. I'm going to give a nice mix. I'm going to add my cheeses as well, my parsley. Add some salt, usually to taste. You can also pre-salt the potatoes beforehand so you know how much salt you have, how much you need. Okay, so here is our mixture. It looks delicious. Okay, so I've already cleaned my flowers. I cut out little insides there, so all the male and female parts are pulled out. I like to just, you can use a pastry bag. I do not have one. I'm just going to use a cheap little Ziploc bag, sandwich bag. Use it as my pastry bag. And I'm going to cut my tip so that it's easier to stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to stuff it. And you're going to fold it in. This can be messy. And then, one by one, you're going to dredge it in some egg. This is the messy part. Just get that a quick little dredge, shake off the excess, and then you're just going to dust it with some flour. Some breadcrumbs, and we're going to put on a greased pan. And then once they're all done, we're going to bake them in the oven. I'll be back after I stuff them all. Well, welcome back. So I breaded all my flowers. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes until they're golden brown.